Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love with a new intro and a new beat and all that. Nah, but for real, today y'all gonna be watching me do this install half up, half down hairstyle on this beautiful young lady here. So stay tuned. So today I will be laying the cap with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I'm sorry, not Liquid Gold, the Bold Hold Active. And I will also be gluing down her wig. Right now you just see me going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation just to cover her cap to make sure that it's going to blend well with her skin. Okay, so once you've placed the lace into the glue and you have it placed where you want it to, you're going to proceed with tying down the front with, you can either use the Sanex strips, the black wrap strips, or you can use elastic band, whichever you have available. For now, I'm using the black strips because of coronavirus or COVID. I don't want to, use the same thing on every client. So these are disposable. So you just see me tying it down, and then I'm going to start styling the back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm blow drying her hair. It's always a good idea that if you have a wig and you're going to be getting it installed, it's always good to drop it off a day or two ahead of time just to get your knots bleached and your your lace plucked and everything. It saves a lot of time on your appointment, probably about an hour. So it's always good to do that ahead of time. So here you just see me using the Nairobi foam to kind of mold her hair into the shape that I want it to be in. We're doing a half up, half down. So I'm just using that to mold down, make sure I got all the flyaways, and make sure everything is nice and neat. So now I'm just going to go in and do my styling. I'm going to be using my Babyliss flat iron. And I'm just going to smooth out the back and give her a tiny bump. She only wants a little bump. And at the top, we're going to do a few curls and, just keep it real cute. You know what I mean? Stay tuned. So to lay her edges, I am using the Nairobi foam. It's my first time doing edges with the foam, but we're going to see how it works out, y'all. And here comes the scary part. Everybody be scared on this part. And Shorty definitely jumped. And I was like, did I burn you? She was like, no, I'm just scared. But yes, that hot comb part, ooh, I ain't gonna lie. I hate doing that part too because I be scared to burn somebody. But so far, so good. Yes, but this is the final look, guys. Yes. She's cute or whatever. She's cute or whatever. She's fly. Y'all know she's fly. But nah, if you're in the New York area interested in either purchasing your own wig or getting your own wig installed, make sure you hit me up on Instagram at leilani.love. You can also check out my website, www.leilanislove.com, where I have custom units that I make myself. I also revamp wigs. So if you have a wig, you want to change the color up, that's a service that you can book on styleseat.com. So yeah, just holler at your girl. I got all your wig needs. Revamp, color, install, all of that. Be sure before you go, you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you're down with the Love Squad and get notified every time I drop a video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.